So I talked about how I was looking for a short scalp in my last video that I posted earlier today, and I did manage to get a short right here using CVD divergence, and I may have also gotten a profitable long scalp using the same technique. Seems like we're pumping right now. I did enter a long down there to kind of hedge, but let's go over how I got into this short. So in my video earlier today, I talked about some of my plans, and one of them was either a short from the golden pocket or the 786. And you can see we did come above this 786 here, which is the reason that my entry is kind of so low. I wasn't super confident in this until I saw what was going on over on Coinalyze. So over here, I noticed that we were forming potential absorption, CVD divergence, as long as we didn't take out this high up here, as long as we formed lower highs. The CVD and the open interest were both increasing as the price was making a lower high, basically showing that more people were longing over here than back here, yet price was making a lower high. Which can sometimes suggest that someone is using those longs to fill up a short order. So I saw that we had the potential regional absorption going on. That really wasn't enough to get me in the trade on its own. But when I saw that we started dumping back down below the 786, I pulled a fib retracement, and we ended up getting a retracement back up into the golden pocket 786 zone, and we rejected off the 786 almost perfectly. And as this was happening, I saw we were forming a bearish trigger wave. The money flow was making slightly lower lows, and then as price started to dump a little bit, the money flow started coming down. So things were starting to look a little bearish, and then when I came back over to Coinalyze and I went to the 1 minute time frame, you could see locally we saw some more CVD divergence here. CVD was increasing as price was making that lower high, and open interest was also increasing. It was kind of slight, but if you zoom in, you can see that we did have that divergence there as we were rejecting off the 786. And so yeah, basically once price started coming down and I saw the money flow on the 1 minute start to trend downwards, I decided to short this. I didn't get the best entry. I had to mark it in on this one candle here, but I had my stop loss up above this 786, basically putting my invalidation above that high where we saw the local absorption. And we ended up getting a pretty quick dump from this. I was able to lock in some decent profits here. We got like a 1% move to the downside, and I'm still holding a good amount of this short because there are some pretty bearish signs on the higher time frames. There is potential for this to turn into a swing short if we start dumping from here. But I also did enter another little long trade right here. I'm still holding the long from yesterday, but I already took out a lot of profits from that. And as we were forming these lows right here, we did get a bounce off this golden pocket. And as we were forming these lows, okay, that's weird. So you can see the absorption here on the 5 minute. CVD obviously getting lower and open interest obviously increasing. But then when you go to the 1 minute, you don't see it anymore, which is pretty odd. We actually didn't make a lower low on the 1 minute, which is weird, but on the 5 minute, we did see that CVD absorption as we got a bounce off the golden pocket. It was a little bit riskier because we were below VWAP, but we also saw momentum and money flow increasing on the 1 minute. So, I decided to take a little scalp there, low risk, and I'm also hedged in a short. So if price comes down below this low and invalidates that absorption and I get stopped out, I don't really care. I'm still in this short, and I am more interested in longing from lower. I'm kind of hoping that we keep dropping from here. But anyways, I think that is about it. Just wanted to go over how I got into these two trades. One of them, at least, locked in profit. Another one, I'm not sure yet, but seems like we're still getting a pump here. And for both of them, I just used fib retracements and Coinalyze. I mean, I also used Market Cipher, but you didn't necessarily need Market Cipher for these two trades. But yeah, anyways, thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Really appreciate the support. And I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.